Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is a name that echoes in every cricket-loving home. He is not just a cricketer, he is a living legend, often called the god of cricket. For over 2 decades, Sachin entertained, inspired, and united millions of fans around the world. His journey from a small boy in Mumbai to becoming one of the greatest cricketers in history is a story filled with hard work, dedication, and passion. Early life and childhood. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born on April 24, 1973, in Mumbai, Maharashtra. His father, Ramesh Tendulkar, was a well-known Marathi novelist, and his mother, Rajni, worked in the insurance sector. From a very young age, Sachin was full of energy and loved sports. Early life and childhood. His elder brother, Ajit Tendulkar, noticed his interest in cricket and took him to a famous cricket coach, Ramakant Akrakar, who trained young Sachin at Shivaji Park. Coach Akrakar saw great potential in Sachin. He would even hide behind a tree while Sachin batted, just to see if he performed well when no one was watching. That kind of training made Sachin stronger, mentally and physically. Rise to stardom. Sachin made headlines when he was just 15 years old. In 1988, he scored an unbeaten 326 runs in a school match and, along with his friend Vinod Kambli, made a world record partnership of 664 runs. This made people notice the young prodigy. Rise to stardom. Soon after, in 1989, Sachin made his debut for India against Pakistan. He was only 16 years old, playing against some of the fastest bowlers in the world like Wasim Akram and Waqar Younis. Even though he got injured during the match, he refused to leave the field and kept playing. This showed his courage and dedication, even at such a young age. Records and achievements. Most runs in international cricket, over 34,000 runs in tests and ODIs combined. 100 international centuries. He is the only player to have scored 100 centuries, 51 in tests and 49 in ODIs. Most runs in a single World Cup. In the 2003 World Cup, he scored 673 runs, the highest in any single edition. Records and achievements. First to score a double century in ODIs. In 2010, he became the first player to score 200 runs in a one-day international (ODI) match against South Africa. World Cup winner, 2011. After 6 attempts, Sachin finally lifted the World Cup in 2011, and it was one of the most emotional moments for him and his fans. Sachin's style of play. Sachin was known for his beautiful batting style. He could play shots all around the ground, whether it was the straight drive, the cover drive, or the pull shot. His technique was almost perfect. Bowlers feared him, and fans loved him. Sachin's style of play. One of his most memorable innings was against Australia in Sharjah in 1998, when he played back-to-back centuries in what is famously known as the Desert Storm innings. Despite the hot and sandy weather, Sachin played as if he was unstoppable. This match is still remembered as one of his finest performances. The respect he earned. Sachin wasn't just known for his records but also for his humility and discipline. He respected the game and never let fame change who he was. Former Australian captain Steve Waugh once said, "We had to plan a full meeting just for Sachin." That shows how big of a threat he was to even the best teams in the world. The respect he earned. Another great cricketer, Brian Lara, called Sachin the best batsman in the world. Even today's stars like Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni consider Sachin their idol. Challenges and comebacks. Sachin's journey wasn't always smooth. He had injuries, lost important matches, and went through phases when he didn't score runs. Critics doubted him, but Sachin always came back stronger. Challenges and comebacks. In the early 2000s, he suffered from a tennis elbow injury. Many believed his career was over, but after months of rest and training, he returned to the game and continued breaking records. His ability to stay calm under pressure made him different from other players. 2011 World Cup. a dream come true. One of the most heartwarming moments in Indian cricket was when India won the ICC Cricket World Cup in 2011. Sachin had waited 22 years for that moment. The whole team said they wanted to win the cup for Sachin. 2011 World Cup, a dream come true. After the final, Virat Kohli said, "He has carried the burden of the nation for 21 years, so it's time we carried him on our shoulders." This emotional gesture showed how much the team and the country respected him. Retirement and beyond. Sachin retired from ODIs in 2012 and played his last test in 2013 at his home ground, Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. His farewell speech made everyone emotional. He thanked his family, teammates, coaches, and fans for their support throughout his career. Retirement and beyond. After retirement, Sachin has continued to contribute to cricket and society. He was made a Rajya Sabha member, a member of India's parliament, and has supported many charities and youth programs. He also mentors young cricketers and is involved in promoting sports in schools. Inspiration for students. Sachin's story teaches students many valuable lessons. Hard work pays off. He practiced for hours daily, even when he was already the best. Stay humble. Even with so much fame, he remained grounded. Never give up. Injuries and failures never stopped him. Inspiration for students. Respect everyone. He always respected his opponents and his team. An example to remember. When he was young, Sachin once missed watching a movie with his friends because he wanted to practice cricket. That's the kind of focus he had from a young age. Conclusion. Sachin Tendulkar is more than just a cricketer. He is a hero, a role model, and a symbol of what one can achieve with dedication and passion. He made cricket a religion in India and earned love and respect worldwide. For millions of fans, especially in India, Sachin is not just a player, he is an emotion.